Hello children, how are you? Yes, we are going to study lesson 2 motion. Okay? Motion. What is motion? Motion? Movement. Yes? Moving from one place to another place. Yes? Yes. Motion. When an object changes position over time when compared with a reference point, we say that the object is in motion. When an object changes position over time when compared with a reference point, we say that the object is in motion. Motion means bus going from one place to another place. Yes, motion is a change of position of an object. Motion is a change in the position of an object. Okay, car along the road, trains along the tracks, and aeroplanes in the sky are all moving. Sky, these movements are one type of motion. Another type of motion, you may see the fan rotating the ceiling. That is another type of motion. We are playing, you are playing in the swing. That is another play. That is to and fro, going here and there. Yes, that is another type of motion. That like different types of motions also there. Motion means change in the position of an object. Object changes position. That is motion. Okay. Now, how to see rest and motion. What is rest? We are simply sitting. Buses are waiting there. Simply standing. Yes, every vehicles are standing one place. That is the resting stage. That is take rest. Yes, rest. Motion is a combined property of an object under study and the observer. Everything in the world is at rest. Everything. Yeah, we are seeing all places. Everything in the world is at rest. Otherwise, in motion. Everything rest or motion. Yes. Sometime we are simply sitting, taking rest. Somebody moving here and there. Yes. Everything's like this. The fan also. The vehicle also. Yes. Take rest or in motion. There is no meaning of rest and motion without the viewer. Okay. Rest and motion. For example, tree on the roadside would appear to move backward for the person traveling in the car, while the same tree would appear to be at rest for a person standing on the roadside. What is that? Sometime we are sitting inside the vehicle, otherwise train. We are sitting inside, the train is going. The side of the train, the house, trees are simply taking rest. That we are thinking that is running. We are simply taking rest. That like the movement is like this. Yes, we are only going. The bus, that house, that trees are simply taking rest. Simply one place. That we are thinking that is running. Yes? Yes or no? Everybody saw that one. Yes? That is the example of motion and rest. That is simply resting. We are thinking that is moving. Yes? that like also. Okay, next we of motion. Types of motion. Types of motion. One is linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, random motion. What is linear motion? Going motion in straight line. Car moving on a straight road, that is a linear motion. Linear also rectilinear, curvilinear, that like linear different, that is circular also, that is circular also. Rectilinear motion in straight line, car moving on the straight road. Curvilinear motion is a curved path, car moving in the curved road. Circular motion is a circular path. Example, motion of earth around the sun. Motion of earth around the sun. Motion of the earth around the sun. Okay, these are linear motion. Linear motion. Circular motion, motion along a circular path. That is the example of motion of earth around the sun. Sun is center, the earth is around it. Yes, that is a circular motion. Next one, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion, repetitive to find to and fro. Oscillatory means to and fro motion. You know that pendulum, some timepiece also have, wall clock. Yes, that pendulum is there, that moving here and coming here. To, fro, to, fro. Swing also like this, oscillatory motion. Swing also like oscillatory motion. Okay, pendulum, swing. Okay, these are oscillatory motion. Next, random motion. Motion of the object which does not fall in any of above categories. Motion of the object which does not fall in any of the above categories. Random motion. Okay, random motion means what? Some animals, you think butterfly. Sometimes butterflies sitting on the flower, taking honey, and going another flower, they are also taking honey, and some time going far away and making round like this. Sometime going here, taking rest, sometime far away going, sometime going next flowers. Yes, that like that having no specific path. Random motion having no specific path. Sometime going here, sometime going there, long, short place, going here and there. That is a random motion. That for playing cricket also like this. Sometime catching the ball, standing, sometime running, doing, that is a random motion. Okay, random motion. Next, difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. Difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, travel equal distance in equal interval of time. Travel equal distance in equal interval of time. Non-uniform motion, travel unequal distance in equal interval of time. What is this? It is equal distance, equal interval of time. That means uniform. That means first period 45 minutes, second period 45 minutes, third period 45. That is uniformly time and distance going on. Otherwise, 1 hour. Yes, travel 1 hour, 40 kilometer speed going, same time, same distance. That is a uniform motion. Two vehicles are going same time, same distance. That is a uniform. Yes, non-uniform means unequal distance. Distance is different. Time is same. Okay. Distance is different. time is same. So that is non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, second point is distance time graph for the body having uniform motion is a straight line. Graph, time graph, distance time graph we will see after, okay? That uniform motion is a straight line. Distance time graph for the body having non-uniform motion is a curved line. Curved line. Okay? Uniform motion is a straight line. Non-uniform motion is a curved line. For example, a car running at a constant speed of 10 meter per second. It means car covering distance 10 meter per second. So its motion will be uniform motion. Speed also 10 meter per second. Distance also 10 meter per second. Okay, non-uniform, the motion of the free falling body, something's coming from up. You think that one leaf coming from the tree, that sometime fast coming, sometime slow coming, going there, going here, that like moving. It is not uniform interval, uniform distance. Okay, that is a non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Distance and displacement. Distance. What is distance? You think we are going to school? Yes, from our house to school we are going that way, path, that is a distance. Yes, yes or no? Yes. Distance means refer to the length of the entire path that the object traveled. Object traveled, how much place that path is called distance. Okay. Displacement. What is displacement? Refers to the shortest distance between object to positions. Object to position, like distance between its point of origin and its points of destination, no matter what path it took to get to that traveled place. That means you see this one was distance. Everybody see the picture. Children, everybody seeing the picture? See, everybody see here. House is there. That is your house. School is here. It is your school. Okay. You think the house, your house, one straight lane, straight road going there, and coming this east, next is going to south, next going to west, next going to south, next going to west. That is school coming. That is a roadway. That is a path. That is a path. We are coming by this way only. It is a distance. Okay, it is a distance. Another one displacement giving, see, your house and your school make one straight line, straight path. That is a displacement. Distance is more here, yes. Here going north, south, west, like this, here, there, going and coming to the school. Yes, displacement means that is a short way. Displacement means change in position of a moving body in a particular direction. Which direction going? Straight going. The particular direction going, it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Distance measured SI unit, that is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Displacement, it also measured the meter. That also measured by the meter. This also measured by the meter, SI unit. That the displacement is a scalar quantity having magnitude only. Here displacement vector quantity having both magnitude and direction. Displacement magnitude and direction. It's also measured in the meter in SI unit. Okay children, distance and displacement. Do you understand? We have to see speed and velocity. Speed and velocity. Speed. Speed you know. Yes. What is speed? Vegam. Yes. What is velocity? Yes. Velocity. Velocity, speed. Speed, velocity and acceleration also we will study. Now, what is speed? Speed is the rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance. Speed is the rate of change of distance travel in unit time. Speed also scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Distance also scalar quantity. Okay, scalar quantity. SI unit speed is meter per second. So speed formula is distance traveled by time taken. Distance time B is a speed. B is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Okay. What is the unit of speed? Meter per second. What is the quantity of speed? Scalar quantity. What is the scalar quantity? Okay, what is the formula? V is equal to distance by time. What is velocity? Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. Speed, the rate of change of distance. Already we studied what is the difference between the distance and the displacement. Yes? Yes. That the distance, rate of change of distance, that is speed. Rate of change of displacement, that is velocity. Speed, already distance, that is a scalar quantity. Displacement, that is a vector quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Vector, velocity, vector quantity. Velocity, vector quantity. Okay. What is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. Meter per second. Formula V is equal to displacement by time. Yes, here what is the meaning of yes? Displacement. Displacement by time. Okay. Now everybody understands speed and velocity. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Yes. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Okay. Yes. Next, to see acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. That is rate of change of distance. Velocity, rate of change of displacement. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. Acceleration means what? Rate of change of velocity. Okay. Velocity in unit time. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Velocity also. Velocity, displacement and acceleration vector quantity. The SI unit acceleration meter per second square. Meter per second square. Meter per second square. Okay. That accelerations is equal to change in velocity by time. A is acceleration, small a. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity, that is V. Initial velocity, that is U. So V minus U by T. Otherwise Vf minus Vi. Vf means V, final velocity. Vi means initial velocity by t. Okay, it is a formula of acceleration. Okay, final velocity, above the equation, if the final velocity is greater than initial velocity, the velocity increases with time and the value of acceleration is positive. Value of acceleration is positive. If v and u, that means if the final velocity less than initial velocity, the velocity decreases with the time and the value of acceleration is negative. Have you understood? Have you understood, children? If final velocity is greater than initial velocity, that is positive. Acceleration positive. Okay? If final velocity is less than initial velocity, that is called negative acceleration. Positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Have you understood? If final velocity is greater than initial velocity, that is acceleration is positive. Okay? Yes? If final velocity is less than initial velocity, that is negative acceleration. Okay? Have you understood, children? Yes? The distance time graph for uniform motion. The distance, the time. Distance, time. Time given here, distance also there. 5 minutes. That first 5 minutes, the distance 500 meter went. First 10 minutes, 1000 meter went. 15 minutes, 1500 meter. 20 minutes, 2000 meter. 25 minutes, 2500 meter. Okay, now we will see the graph. We will see the graph. The y is distance, x is time. Y 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000. The time you see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes. Now first one 500. Yes. 500. 10,000. 15, 1500. 20, 2000. 25, 2500. Okay. Yes. Now the line, the graph is drawn by taking time along x-axis and distance along y-axis. The graph is known as distant time graph. This graph is distant time graph. Okay. When we look at the distance time graph, we notice few things. First, it is straight line. That is the main. First, it is straight line. We also notice that the person covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Equal distance, equal interval of time. So it is a uniform motion. We can therefore conclude that he walked at a constant speed. Can you find the speed at which he walked from the graph? Yes, you can. The parameter is referred as slope of the line. Speed is equal to distance by time. Already we studied that. Distance, that is a 500, time, that is 5 second, is equal to 500 by 5 is equal to 100 meter. Okay, the speed is 100 meter. Okay, 100 meter per minute. Okay, after that, the same comparison of speed, time and distance. Somebody by walking somebody cycling, somebody riding in a car. 3. Who will go fast? Asher walking, Safira cycling, Kanishka going by car. Okay? We know that cycling can be faster than walking and a car can be go faster than the cycle. The distance time graph of 3 would be given in the following graphs. These are given in the book. Everybody see that one. First one walking, slow, cycling, next riding car. Okay, how much is speed that we can see. Okay, next we have to see the distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. What is non-uniform motion? We can already studied. We can also plot a distance time graph for accelerator motion. Car, their distance traveled by a car in a time interval of 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds, 1 meter. Okay. The distance traveled by car in a time interval of 2 seconds. 2 seconds, 1 meter. 4 seconds, 4 meter. 6 seconds, 9 meter. 8 seconds, 16 meter. 10 seconds, 25 meter. 12 seconds, 36 meter. That like that it is not uniform. Yes, that is uniformly distance and time uniformly given. Here is not uniformly. Okay, if the plot graph between the distance traveled and the time taken, it would be as shown in the figure. The distance time graph for non-uniform motion. See the picture, everybody. See the graph. See the graph. Distance in the y-axis, time in the x-axis, 5, 10, 15, that like given, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That like 2 second. Okay, that like given. Here first 2, 1. See the picture, graph 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 4, 6, 9, 6, 9, 8, 18, 18, 10, 25, 12, 36. So, it is not a straight line, it is a curved line. It is a curved line. Okay, it is a curved line. Yes. See, it is a curved line. It is not a straight line. So, it is a non-uniform motion. This nature of graph shows non-linear variation of distance traveled by the car with time. The graph represents motion with non-uniform speed. It is not uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. So, it is the distance time graph for non-uniform. Okay. Yes, children. Do you understand? Velocity time graph. Velocity time graph. That velocity time. Velocity time. Uniform accelerated motion, non-uniform accelerated motion. Everybody see the picture. Velocity 0, next 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. That like velocity is going like this. Yes, velocity of car. Velocity of car. Okay. In the case of velocity, the figure straight line coming, straight line. The nature of graph shows that the velocity changes by equal amounts in equal interval of time. So it is uniformly accelerated motion. So it is uniformly accelerated motion. The velocity time graph is straight line. Everybody see the picture? Straight line. Yes. One can also determine the distance moved by the car from its velocity time graph. The area under the velocity time graph gives the distance moved by the car in a given interval of time. One car, velocity of car changing due to the acceleration. Changing due to the acceleration. That S traveled by the car will be given by the area A, B, C, D, E under velocity. Time graph, that is S equal to area A, B, C, D, E. S equal to area of rectangle. See the picture, rectangle and triangle is there. Yes, one rectangle, one triangle. A, B, C, D, that is a rectangle. A, B, D, sorry, A, D, E. A, D, E, that is a triangle. Okay, now we will see the area of rectangle and area of triangle. A, B, C, D, rectangle. A, D, E, triangle. So, we will see S is equal to AB multiplied BC plus half AD multiplied DE. Okay. Rectangle, area of rectangle formula is AB multiplied BC. Area of triangle formula is half AD multiplied DE. Half AD multiplied DE. Okay. S is equal to area of trapezium ABCDE of multiply sum of length parallel side multiply distance between parallel sides. So S is equal to of multiply AB plus CE multiply BC. Okay, this is a formula of velocity. This is a formula of velocity. Okay, this one non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform, here in the book given non-uniform acceleration map also, graph also. Yes, everybody see that one. Velocity and time. Velocity and time. Velocity in the y-axis, time is in the x-axis. 10, 20, 30, 40 like this velocity given. Time 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like this given. The velocity first 10, 10, 30, 40, 35, that like going up and down, that is not a uniform. It is not a uniform velocity, non-uniform acceleration. Okay. Okay children, this lesson everybody read and study. Okay. Now you write the homework 10 one-word answers. 10 one-word answers. Read properly. The box inside also some given. Okay. Problem sums also doing. The formula also there. You make 10 one-word answer. Okay. What is the formula of speed? What is the velocity? What is the formula of velocity? That like one word answers you write it. One word answers, 10 one word answer. That is your homework. Okay. Assignment. I will give one assignment. You write neatly and keep it in your file. After we will submit, you will submit in the school. Okay. That have also mark. Okay. Types of motion. Types of motion is a types of motion, that is a assignment. Type of motion: linear motion, circulation motion, oscillatory motion, random motion, uniform motion, non-uniform motion. That okay, that is types of motion. Okay, children, everybody study this lesson properly. Okay.